We are now ready to learn and practice the 7th movement. As we know, we just finished the 6th movement by going to infinity and defining infinity, and then through changing a center of gravity, getting to expansion, going through navigation to get to crown, and then returning to foundation in order to complete the movement all the way up on top of the spine, on top of the head. Now, in the next movement, we're learning to transfer the symmetrical weight of the body to one leg more than another one. So right now, going more to the left, and then I'll come back to the center. To going into transferring the weight, there is like a figure 8 that gets created in your arm, half of a figure 8. So the arm opens and it completes itself into a wave, and then it returns back to a place called moving foundation. And then it begins again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that will become the completion of the 7th movement. In the practice of this movement, in the beginning, we just became acquainted with how we move through the wave to change the weight of the body from one side to the next one. And then, as we become more familiar with it, and through the next movements that you're going to learn, you will see and you will relearn a little bit of this movement and in more detailed form. But right now, just be concerned mostly about learning the structure and the best you can in relation to perceiving and experiencing the waves. So let's do it again, and let's go just for the flow. The movement is done 4 times, for left and then right, left and right, and then it becomes symmetrical again to be completed. Okay? So let's start again in 0 0.5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and that's the completion. And now we'll start 2, 3, symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the asymmetry returns at the center, at the level of the solar plexus to become symmetrical, and then descend to foundation, and it returns to crown. Let's do it again because it's a good practice. 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3 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 and 4. Returning to symmetry. 2, descending, ascending, outflowing wave, and completing the movement in crown. Wonderful. And then arrive to 0 point. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to do all the 7 movements that we learn and put them all in a continuous sequence, so we can just practice the flow and the form together. Okay? So we're going to do 3 unity motions, 1 movement of central heart, 1 movement of suspended diamond, 1 movement of central crown, and then 1 movement of the outer mandala, yes, and then 1 movement of releasing balance, and then 1 movement of interchanging balance, which is what we just learned. Okay, so let's do it together for practice. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is unity in motion, the first movement. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the third one. 3 and 4. Now the second movement. 2, 3, and 4. We ascend through the centers. We define central heart. We find the center of space. We have 4 counts. And now descending, ascending to foundation, and we complete the second movement. 4. Now the third movement, suspend the diamond. 1, releasing wave, 3, that is the throat. Now the descend, ascend, and we have completed the definition of the throat. Now we go to the fourth movement, which ascend through the delicate heart, and we go to central crown. Then it becomes asymmetrical. 2, 3, moving heart. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, self is 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful. Now we go to the inner outer mandala. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, infinity. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the release of balance. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, entering crown. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, infinity. 3, expansion. 2, 3, crown. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. 2, 3, and 4. The last movement. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 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 2, 3, and 4. Returning to symmetry. 2, descending, ascending to foundation. Complete the seventh movement and crown. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here we are to the same place that we started. Good. Let's do the 7 movements again as a practice. But I would like to tell you that I know you're learning many different details right now, and of course you're using the video and using me as an example for you to approximate the movements and be able to discover the movements. But I wanted to tell you that very soon, as soon as you can, start recognizing that you don't need to be just exactly a copy of me. What you're really learning is how to place yourself in 3 dimensions, how to sense the continuity of the movement, and how you begin to experience the sensation of yourself as you allow the center of gravity and the spine to move in a spiral form. So just allow yourself to explore, and don't think that you do something wrong. You will never do anything wrong in Unity in Motion. You will only discover more and more and more the connections of energy that allows you to understand and experience yourself more and more clearly in 3 dimensions. Okay? So let's start now. Let's go through the 7 movement one more time without stopping. So we'll start in 0 point, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is the last one. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second movement. 3, 4. Ascending to moving heart, central heart. Defining the center of space. Descending. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third movement. 2, 3, 4. The releasing wave. They'll take you to the throat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Outflowing wave. 3 and 4. The fourth movement, which is the delicate heart ascending through, connecting it to central crown, the asymmetrical spiral of the diamond, moving heart. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Self is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, and the inner mandala, all the 7 centers, becomes the outer mandala, extending through you, connecting you, arriving to crown. 2, 3 and 4 completely. 2, 3 and 4. Ready for the release of balance now. To release the spine as we're going up, creating the invisible spiral, arriving to suspended wave, balance, entering crown, arriving to foundation, ascending all the way to infinity's gate. Count 2 is infinity, expansion 4, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the completion of the sixth motion and the beginning of the last one. 2, 3 and 4, 1, 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 2, 3 and 4. Arriving to symmetry, 2, complete to foundation. Release the movement into crown, and we have completed the 7 movements and the 0 point. Wonderful.